Hello everyone, welcome to Computer Science and IT Gate Coaching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the instant notification of my free lecture. Now we will construct a minimal DFA over A comma B such that set of all string starts with AB. Now it should start with AB. So the language is containing AB, then AB, AA, after A, B. So it should start with A, then A, any number of A or B. After this, any combination of AB is allowed, but it should start with AB. So initial state by getting A, went there. Now by getting B, reach to the final state because it has started with AB. Now after reaching to the final state, if you are getting anything, accept it, be there. But if you are starting with B, reject it, dead state. After reaching there, if you are getting anything, be there. Now after A, it should start with AB. If you are getting A in the beginning, it is not starting with AB. So you have to reject that. So A, then B, there. If you are getting again A, in dead state.